Could taking Prozac as a teenager affect how you feel pain as an adult? A new study suggests it might. Researchers at the University of Texas at El Paso looked at the long-term effects of fluoxetine, the active ingredient in Prozac. This drug is often prescribed to teenagers for depression, anxiety, and other mood-related problems. But the scientists wanted to know if taking it during adolescence could have side effects that show up later in life. They used female C57BL6 mice, which are commonly used in medical research because they have predictable responses. The mice were given fluoxetine in their drinking water for 15 days, during a key stage of adolescence. Then, they were allowed to grow into adulthood without any more treatment. When the mice reached adulthood, the researchers tested how sensitive they were to heat using a hot plate. Mice with a history of fluoxetine exposure reacted more quickly to the heat. This meant they were more sensitive to pain, even weeks after they stopped taking the drug. The fluoxetine group also gained less weight, and this difference lasted into adulthood. So the effects of the drug didn't just stop when the treatment ended. The researchers think these changes might be linked to how fluoxetine affects brain development during adolescence. Past studies have shown that early exposure to antidepressants can change brain areas involved in emotion and pain. This includes the prefrontal cortex and amygdala. There's also some evidence that fluoxetine increases inflammation over time, which could change how pain is processed. So, taking antidepressants early in life might shift how the brain handles discomfort later on. This doesn't mean Prozac is unsafe. It helps many people. But the study shows we need to understand more about what happens in the long run. To read more about this research and other psychology studies, visit scipost.org.